Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel looking to revamp your living space with fresh innovative home decoration ideas. In this video, discover unique and creative ways to decorate your home that will impress your guests and make your space truly stand out. Say goodbye to dull interiors and get ready to transform your home into stylish heaven. These inspiring decoration tips. Discover the latest trends in the home decor with innovative ideas for the up your living space, from dye projects to budget friendly tips, and this video will be inspire you transform your home into a stylish. Watch now and unleash your creativity. Looking to up your living space with the innovative home decoration ideas. In this video, we'll explore creative and the budget friendly ways to transform your home into stylish heaven. Discover unique tips and tricks to revamp your space and unleash in inner interior designer. Watch now to inspirations on how to make your home truly stand out. My video part of 4 looking is up your living space with the some fresh innovative home decoration ideas. That this video is packed with creative tips and the tricks to transform your home into stylish heaven. Discover unique ways to add personality and charm your every corner of your space, from dye projects budget friendly hacks. The get ready to unleash inner interior design and elevate your home decor game. My video part of 5 looking to your living space with the some beautiful and fresh innovative new decoration tips and new gadgets. In this video I will share creative and unique ways to transfer your home into a very modern stylish look, from the dye projects to budget friendly hacks. Get ready to inspire and take your home decor game the next level. Watch now to does of your creativity and make your living space truly stand out. Looking to your living and modern space, TV lounge and exterior and interior designs with sofa design in guest room, kitchen rooms to most impressive and look for your modern and living space areas. I will share a creative, unique ways to transform you into stylish heaven, dye projects to hacks, living space, innovative home decoration ideas. Join us in this video. Explore creative ways to transfer your home in stylish. Discover unique dye projects, budgets, and trendy decor trends will inspire you. Revamp your space like never before. Get ready to unleash your inner interior design. Elevate your home game with the existing. Don't forget this channel. Subscribe and like. Most important for me, your comment box. Please comment your opinion. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah.